Hi and welcome back to the channel where we talk about everything eBay related and more. This could be reselling, drop shipping, eBay flipping and a bit more. But today we're going to be talking about something that's really not really talked about on the internet, that many people haven't really covered when it comes down to all these other things. When again, if you're new and you want to find products and you want to try to resell, or you want to try and find things. So what we're going to be talking about is how to find some products on Amazon. Now, a lot of people find some Amazon products. Remember what we're actually going to do? We're going to buy something at low price and we want to try and sell it at a higher price. Buy low, sell high. And that is the thing that you want to think about. Now, would you believe that Amazon obviously throws away lots of stuff and things that way, and also sell quite a few things at a very, very good price, which you can buy even used. Now you're thinking, what? Yeah, okay, yeah. Amazon has a way you can actually go and search for particular things on where for used products. Now, why will a person buy anything used? Something people may not want to pay the full price. Remember what you're trying to do here. So you're trying to satisfy them with a used product. And this is really pretty good. And if you haven't done this before on Amazon, I suggest you do take a quick deep dive into this. So let's jump over to Amazon and have a look. The first thing we want to do, we want to type in the used product itself and type it in. In this situation, I'll just put tools in here. Now, if what you want to do is click on where it says used condition here. All right. Once you click on that, it brings you into the used section of all different items. Look around for what it says here. All right. Where you got listings where it says 29 used. Yeah. And offers. Now, then you can start working out, obviously, the smaller price. And this is very, very important what you can start off with. Once you do that, obviously, then you can head over to Amazon. So I head over to eBay and have a look for this particular product, even used. Now, granted, obviously, you really want to take a quite good look at the actual product. So why would someone actually buy something used? All different types of situations. They may want to buy it for parts, or they may want it for all different types of reasons. Well, but again, this is what you've got to think about when people want to buy something for use. Now, and if you can work that out and you can source these particular problems, you may build up a sort of catalog or all used stuff, whereby a person, you may be able to put this back together again. Or if you've got two items, one with a broken top, one with a broken bottom, and obviously you interchange the two, and you'll be able to give back the actual items. Now, when it comes down to used things, you've got to be very careful, because used stuff obviously come with many defects, and obviously you've got to try and work out and try to describe them as much as possible when it comes down to your eBay listings. And a lot of people may not describe them as best as possible, and this will get all the problems. But again, if you're a dab hand of trying to fix things and put things back together, or you can salvage particular used items, a good place where you can buy these sort of items, these used things, or one-offs, two-offs, and you can actually buy them. Let's have a look, and I think if we have a look at the actual particular items and see if we can find any more information on it, let's have a look. Okay, on the used items. Sometimes it brings up a dialog box where you can actually look at the actual items if it's used. Depending on the listings, again, this is what we call the other sellers, and this is what we call the buy box over here. And what it does, it will show you all the other sellers. On this one, it doesn't really, it's failing to show. Actually, let's have a look here. New and used, and this is what we're looking for. And it brings out this little panel here. I don't know if you can see this on your screen. Yes, you can. Okay, now it's showing you, obviously, is new. You can filter by here, and we put in, and these are the used categories: used, like new, whatever. Use, and go down more, and we've got one here for 10. Well, this was actually 13. So, and these are coming from third-party sellers. One of the things is that you've got to be very, very careful of, obviously, when it comes down to Amazon. Amazon doesn't really have any sort of dealings with these third-party sellers. If getting something goes wrong, they expect you to work it out to work it out yourself. Be warned. I've been before again dealing with people that wanted to return items, and they didn't return it, and Amazon literally will refund the actual seller. Now, and this is the type of things that you've got to be very, very careful of buying something using. This is the disheartening part sometimes when you're shipping on, you're actually servicing it on these platforms. So be careful when we buy used items. But as I said, these are the things that you probably will know or you wouldn't know in the day. So be careful how much whereby you will not get a return. However, I want you to pay close attention where it says Amazon warehouse. That Amazon will support you on that if there's something wrong, because they've thoroughly checked to ensure that the particular item is okay, and they will send it out to you. If they have a problem, then they will actually give you a refund back if you find there is a problem. So check out these particular deals when it comes to Amazon warehouse deals for used items. It's pretty good as well. So how that's been helpful when it comes down to used stuff on eBay or Amazon. We can play around with that. I'll be doing lots of more sort of Amazon videos probably later in the next year, but I'm going to stick with eBay, more importantly getting stuff from onto eBay, and also learning how to drop ship, learning how to resell, and how to flip items from one platform to another, from all different types of sales and reselling, retail arbitrage, and all different types of ways of where you probably can make money online. If you like information that we're providing, why not comment below? Have your say, share your opinion, and we can even solve some of the problems that you may be facing along the way. Like and subscribe to the channel to get exclusive updates on when things change on eBay and very more. That's it for now. Check out all the other videos that you may have missed here on this channel.